Hi everyone, my name is Judy and welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Cebuano dialect. Okay, so let's start. There are actually two ways to introduce yourself. So the first one is you say, Ako si Judy. Ako si Judy. So ako si, then you state your name. So ako si Judy means I am Judy. Ako si Judy, I am Judy. Ako means I, si is am, and then you state your name. Okay? The second way to introduce yourself is to say like this. Akong pangalan kay Judy. Akong pangalan kay Judy. My name is Judy. Akong means my. Pangalan means name. Kay means is. Akong pangalan kay, then you state your name. That means, in English, my name is, then you state your name. Okay, let's have a recap. The first one is, Ako si Judy. Ako si, then you state your name. That means, I am, state your name, Judy. The second way is, Akong pangalan kay Judy. My name is Judy. So, I hope guys you got that and keep on practicing and then until you sound like a native speaker. So, hopefully to see you again in the next video and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you again. Bye-bye.